As NASA's rover Perseverance explores the surface of Mars, scientists hunting for signs of ancient life on the distant planet are using data gathered on a mission much closer to home at a lake in southwest Turkey. NASA says the minerals and rock deposits at Salda are the nearest match on Earth to those around the massive Jezero Crater, where spacecraft landed and which is believed to have once been flooded with water. Information gathered from Lake Salda may help the scientists as they search for fossilised traces of microbial life preserved in sediment thought to have been deposited around the delta and the long vanished lake it once fed.
From everything we know right now, from the data we have, and I just want to tell you, we've only just driven a few yards on the surface and we only know what's around us. So far, we believe that the Lake Salda analogue with Jezero Crater is absolutely a good analogue and will be useful for many years to come.
A team of American and Turkish planetary scientists carried out research in 2019 on the shorelines of Lake Salda, known as Turkey's Maldives, because of its azure water and white shores. Scientists believe that the sediments around the lake eroded from large mounds that are formed with the help of microbes and are known as microbials. The team behind the Perseverance rover, the most advanced astrobiology lab ever flown to another world, want to find out whether they are microbials in Jezero Crater. They will also compare the beach sediments from Salda with carbonate minerals formed from carbon dioxide and water, a key ingredient for life, detected on the margins of Jezero Crater.
We're going to look at this and try to find the best places. Well, Lake Salda during that entire time will serve as a powerful analog in which we can learn and interrogate, kind of come up with ideas that we can go try at Lake Salda before we use it at Perseverance, or when we find something at Perseverance, we can go back to look at Lake Salda to really look at both processes, but also similarities, but equally importantly, differences that are really between Perseverance and Lake Salda. So we're really glad we have that lake, just because I think it will be with us for a long time. It's a simplified but approximate kind of model of what's right now there. And again, the most important thing is this one, because it's a one-to-one kind of sample tube. We're going to bring tens of those back, and each one of those samples we hope will give us, just like at Lake Salda, the information about the microbial life that's there in connection with the environment. So we hope that's where the answer will be. But again, the instruments will give us some information before that. So hope Lake Salda will help us get the right samples.